Oh, you're done. Okay. Well,
Okay, so we got a program loaded here. We're gonna show you the rapid rates. It's gonna run through a quickie drill program. We had it set for a 1032 tap, and so we're just gonna go ahead and hit the start button. And I'm not even gonna show the start button because this thing moves so fast I'll miss the first movement. So go ahead. And it's got rigid tapping, so there's your 1032 rigid tap, and that's going to complete the program. Super nice running machine. Talk to the customer. There's no mechanical or electrical discrepancies in the machine at all. It's ready to take out and use. And that's going to conclude the video. He got the Fanuc control on it. All of the buttons are in excellent condition. There's no missing pieces, no, all of the lights are there. None of the keys are deteriorated, as you can see. And basically we have a really nice machine here you can buy with confidence.